difference of two squares, which is no longer new to us. Then the B is, we have m squared plus bm plus am plus ab. So if we dissect these two, we can arrive at something meaningful. What is common here? M is common. M plus B. What is common here? A is common. M plus B. So M plus B, M plus B. M plus B into M plus A plus A. So this is our B. This is our B. Then this is our B. Then our C. Our C is this. So C, I have m squared minus 2am plus a squared. So I can decide to use this to multiply this. I'll have a squared m squared. What are the factors of this that will give us the one in the middle? Automatically it should be am minus am. Why? Because minus am times minus am will give us plus am, a square, m square. Then minus am will give us minus 2am. That is why these are the factors of this. Then anywhere I see my minus 2am, then I will replace it with this. I have m squared minus am plus a squared. So I dissect these two. I dissect the two. Then I will be having m is common to this. M into m minus a. What is common to this? Minus a. Minus a into m minus a. So what's common? M minus a, so m minus a. So I have another m minus a. So this is my C. This is my C. Then my D. Where is my D? If you look at this is my D. My D is simply Cm plus BC. So C is here, C is here. So C is common. M plus B. So that's my D. So now, to resolve the overall complex expression, we have A over B divided by C over D. That is what we are going to have. Then, what is our A? Our A is m minus a into m plus a. Our B is, where is our B? M plus B, m plus a, divided by our C. Where is our C? Our C is m minus a, m minus a, over our D. What's our D? Our D is C into m plus b. Now, our next step is to change the division sign to multiplication sign. And when we change our division sign to multiplication sign, this other side will be reversed. The numerator will become the denominator, and the denominator will become the numerator. So we have m minus a, m plus a, over m plus b, m plus a, times c into m plus b, over m minus a, m minus a. Now, let's look at what we can resolve. This can cancel this. This can cancel this. So automatically we are not going to have C. We are going to have C into, okay, this let me rewrite this, plus A over M plus A into M minus A. These can also cancel this. Then we'll have C over M A. So we have succeeded in reducing the complex expression to a simpler expression.
So the third part of the multiplication and division of this is this. So here, to resolve this, we have a division and we also have a multiplication. So let's break it. Let's call this A, let's call this B, let's call this C, let's call this D, let's call this E, and let's call this F. So the A now, which is A squared plus AB. So I can make this A into A plus B as the A. The B, I have A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. So I can also do the same here. I have A squared, B squared plus this. Then I have minus AB minus AB. So this one becomes A squared minus AB minus AB plus B squared. And I bring this together. I have what's common here? A is common, A minus B. What's common here? Minus B is common. I have A minus B. And this one will be A minus B, A minus B. So this is my B case. Then the C case, I have A plus 3B. So this one is standard. So should not tamper with this. Then D. D is also standard, A plus 2B. Then the C and the E. We have the E case, we have AB minus A squared. What is common here? A. B minus A. Then the F, we have F case, we have A squared plus 3AB plus B, 2B squared. So we can also do the same by using this to multiply this. We have plus 2A squared B squared. So here, factors of this are the 1 and 2. So we have AB, 2AB. So plus this, plus this. So we substitute this into this. We have A squared plus AB plus 2AB plus 2B squared. So we dissect this. What's common here? A is common. A plus B. What is common here? Plus 2B. Then we have A plus B. So A plus B is common. So A plus B, A plus 2B. And this is our F. So now, to resolve, we have A divided by B divided by C over D times E over F. What's A? A is A plus A. A is A into A plus B over B. What's our B? Our B is A minus B, A minus B, divided by C. What's our C? A plus 3B. What's our D? A plus 2B times E. What's our E? Our E is A into B minus A over, what's our F? Our F is A plus B, A plus B, A plus 2B. So here, what we do here is we change this division to multiplication, and that will affect. The first thing we do is we try to employ BODMAS to make our work easier. So when we employ BODMAS, we have bracket of division, multiplication. So that means your division comes before your multiplication. But here we have A
A plus A into A plus B over A minus B, A minus B, divided by, we have, let's say, A into A plus 3B, then we'll have let's just say A plus 3B over A plus 2B times A B minus A over A plus B. I decide to rewrite this. Then here, since we are talking about board mass, automatically this one has nothing in common with this, so automatically we exchange this. So we have A into A plus B over A minus B, A minus B, and we have times, so this one becomes A plus 2B over A plus 3B. So this one has changed now, times A into B minus A over A plus B, A plus 2B. So let's